Build your traffic, build your business. Building traffic to your website will lead to business growth, but it is how you manage that traffic and what you offer the visitors that really makes the difference. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing pieces of content to answer queries by users, effectively pushing your website ranking up in the process. The higher your website features on the search engine result pages, the more people are going to click on the link and enter your site. Click-through ratio. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. SEO is a multifaceted discipline. It includes technical on-page and off-page elements. While this may seem confusing, it is relatively straightforward. You need to correlate a keyword or phrase that relates to your offering and return a good piece of content that is useful to the user. This can be done with lists, step-by-step guides, videos, knowledge base, infographics, and much more. It can be used on products and service pages as well as blog posts. Search engine marketing, on the other hand, involves enticing users to visit your website through targeted text ads, display ads, and other methods. Both are important in generating traffic, and a happy balance should be found between the two methods. However, it is important to bear in mind that SEO is a long-haul project that builds on authority and trust over months and years, while pay-per-click advertising is very short-term. Either way, once a person clicks into your website, they fall into a sales funnel. It is important to identify where people enter the sales funnel. If they search for a screwdriver, you want to make sure that you offer them links and 3-click depth navigation to get to the screwdriver you stock. But if they search for Phillips screwdriver, size 3 stainless steel, they will enter your sales funnel much further down, signaling a higher level of intent. It is up to you to craft the content that will keep potential clients from dropping out of the sales funnel and actually making them convert. When everything is in the right place, giving the user a good broad experience so they can see everything you have to offer, you will automatically get a lot more traffic and satisfy clients. At FairTech, we have crafted a blueprint that helps you identify your fastest way to cash through the right online marketing efforts to feed your business. The goal is to reach into more consistent cash flow so you can scale your business. We introduce learners to our 12 pillars, which we've used in our business for many years to make our clients successful. It helps you identify where you are and start working on the next best step for your business. Those strategies that will give you the fastest way to cash. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at SEO stats and site analysis audit. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.